In this tutorial, you will learn how to search O'Reilly online. O'Reilly is a platform where you can search for technology and business content. You can find online books, videos, case studies, and more. There are two ways you can find information in O'Reilly. You can browse for content by topic and by format, and you can search for content. To browse content, you can scroll down the home page to view recommended content by type. For example, you can view recommended books, videos, case studies, and more. Another way to browse content is by topic. On the left-hand navigation menu, you will see an Explore tab. The tab will allow you to view all topics. From the All Topics page, you can find a list of topics covered in O'Reilly Online and narrow down by format type. O'Reilly also allows you to search for information available on the platform. At the very top of the homepage, you'll find a search bar. Here you can search for a specific title, an author, or a subject. For example, if you're looking for the book Web Application Security by Andrew Hoffman, you would type in the title and click on the search button. You can also put the book title in quotations to search for it as a phrase, or filter your search by title in the drop-down menu. If the book is available in O'Reilly, it will appear in your search results. You can also search by subject. Let's say you want to learn more about React. You can search for the term React in the search bar to see what types of information the database has on the subject. You can see how many results you found and filter your results by format, topic, and publisher. If you would like to see the most recent content on the subject, you can sort your results by publication date. To see more information and to view a specific item, you can click on the title. You'll find a description and a table of contents. You can also begin reading the book by clicking on the Start Reading Now button at the top right of the page. If you don't want to read the full book and are interested in only reading a specific chapter or two, you can also jump to a specific section by clicking on the links in the table of contents. As you read, you can even make highlights, add notes, and copy bits of code. If you have any questions about O'Reilly, don't hesitate to ask a librarian.